It's that time. It's my weekly budget check-in for the beginning of the year for January 2019. Stay tuned. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Real Journal Talk with V Showers. So today's video is just going to be a quick weekly budget check-in for the first week of January the 1st, just to let you know where I am at. So of course I am using the budget planner by Happy Planner, and we're gonna go ahead and turn to the first week, which starts off with December 31st through January the 6th. So I'm gonna go ahead and just lay out all the information that I need to lay out for this particular spread, and then I'll speed this up and then I'll be right back. Okay, so this is the outlay for my weekly budget for this week, and I'm going to go ahead and pencil in the bills that need to come out for this particular week. So this was actually $18.93, and this actually came out today. And then this one is $35, and I will pay that tomorrow. And then on Friday, which will be the cable, and that will come, I will pay that as well. So on the side right here, I have my weekly expenses. So what I decided to do is just track whatever monies that came out of my account, or as far as like the cash envelopes and what have you. So that is the outlay for this particular spread for the week. But I also wanted to include to give an update on my cash envelopes. I was going to start doing that this year, just keeping up with that as well. And especially since I have this kit that I ordered, this will be a good way to use this sticker. So we're gonna cover this up for the cash envelopes. I'll just sit that there so you guys can see this. And then I will use this label that was included with the kit. Shouldn't be too long. Let's start it about right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and write down the categories, and then I'm gonna speed up through this, and then I'll come back as well. Okay, I hope you guys can see this. So with my cash envelopes, if you watch my budget video, you'll know that these are the cash envelopes that I used for my last pay period, December 28th. And I budgeted $120 for my groceries. And as of actually yesterday, January the 1st, that was used because like I said before, normally I just go in, purchase everything that I need on one stop. Gas, actually on the 31st, I did use $25, so I have a balance of $25 left. Personal, I still have that. Household, that was used on the 1st, so there's a zero balance in that envelope. Movies, I'm off of work, so that was a done deal. Normally it doesn't go that fast, but it did. So let's say on the 31st, and there's a zero balance in that envelope. And same for the family takeout, so that's zero left in there. So this was just a quick update just to let you know my weekly check-in for my budget. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these back in the planner. I thought this was something that I wanted to go ahead and just share with you guys, just so you can know what's going on. And then next pay cycle, once I have that one, then I'll track whatever is left out of that as well for this month. Normally I don't do this, but I'm gonna go ahead and just pencil in, what did I say? Monday, the 120 was spent. Actually, that was Tuesday, but oh well. I think it was, no, it was Monday. The 120, and then the 25. And so now we're on Wednesday, so the day's not quite gone yet, but so far, oh, actually, sorry about that, guys. I actually need to include, where's my calculator? I need to include the 120 plus the 5 plus the 35. So this is actually 160. And then this is actually 35. Okay. So that completes my weekly check-in for my January the 1st through the 6th budget. I want to thank you all for tuning in. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Also, I want to thank each and every one of you for subscribing to my channel and continuously supporting the channel. If you are new to this channel, please consider clicking the subscribe button as well as the notification bell, so that way that you are notified of any of my videos that I upload or any live streams that I may do. Thank you all and have a great day. Goodbye.